So today I want to share a tutorial on how to replace a mobile screen protector. I know many of you already know how to do this and do it yourselves, but this tutorial is for those who are doing it for the first time and want to learn how to replace a screen protector but don't know what to do. Here I have an iPhone 11 Pro Max with a cracked and chipped screen protector and I want to replace it. So I'm going to remove this screen protector by hand. I'm almost completely taking it off right now with my own hand. This screen protector is unfortunately broken and has several visible cracks in different spots across its surface. I'll set this aside for now, and usually to make sure it doesn't move around too much while cleaning, I take extra care to keep it steady. I use I use these alcohol wipes and thoroughly clean it with the alcohol wipe. I try to carefully clean every part of it, making sure that I do not miss anything. And I turn off the phone so the screen doesn't accidentally turn on. All right. These alcohol wipes are usually sold at stores and you can get them, but now with a regular dry cloth, I dry it and clean it with the cloth. I try to make sure there's no dust left on it. And for this particular job, I think that inside this there is actually a new screen protector that I recently got, and I believe that inside this package there should be a sticker for picking up dust. Let me take a closer look and see what's actually inside this package. Wow, apparently, after checking carefully, there is nothing in it at all. It's just an empty screen protector with absolutely nothing else included inside the packaging. Yeah, they didn't include any cleaning cloth, cleaning wipe, or anything else at all. So now, since I want to clean the dust that's on this surface, well, you can use these wide tapes that they sell and they're not expensive at all. In fact, you can simply just buy one of these items for a single purchase without having to worry about spending too much money. And to pick up the dust, you just stick it on the surface like this and then gently pull it off. And this really, actually removes the dust from the surface of the phone's glass. And if you still see any visible dirt or dust, clean it again thoroughly. And one more time, to make sure all the dust is gone, you should take another piece of tape and repeat this process to be sure. No dust at all remains on this glass, not even a single speck. At this point, I think it's definitely clean now and it looks good. Okay, now just take the glass. We take it out and this glass has a sticker on it so we can see which side it is. That sticker is actually a protective film on it, and this film comes off in this direction. Well, the film that's on the glass isn't usable. It's just there to keep the glass from getting dirty. We peel this film off and set it aside. It's useless. Now we handle the glass carefully so it doesn't get dirty and our hands don't touch its surface. Carefully on, we place it on the screen of the phone and try to make sure it's centered as much as possible. Once Once we're sure that it's absolutely perfectly centered, we let go. And you'll see that it starts sticking by itself nicely. See, now it's stuck all the way on its own, and in some spots where maybe a little bit of it, if there are any bubbles underneath, we use a cloth to press them out, and those areas will stick as well. All right, pretty much this. Yes, it's now completely stuck on, and that's it. The job is now completely done and fully ready for use. It really doesn't take much time at all to finish this process. I honestly think you can easily do this entire thing in about 5 minutes or so, and you can definitely do it all by yourself very neatly and efficiently without any trouble. There's absolutely no need to take your device to a mobile phone repair shop or any other place where you'd probably have to pay extra money to have it done for you by someone else. By the way, if you enjoy watching these kinds of helpful and informative videos, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and also like the video so I can continue to make even better and more useful videos for you in the future and share them with you as soon as they are available. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video all the way to the end. For now, I wish you a wonderful day and goodbye.